Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some men's cotton spandex trunk underpants stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what these are. And it comes in a 1, 2, 3, looks like a 6-pack. Let's open this up. If I can get it out of the bag. It's stuck. Okay, so here we go. So this is what they look like here. So they are, it says Comfneat, so it doesn't have any tags. It's just built in like the stuff should be. And it's kind of a nice little shorts here. Let's go try that on and I'll show you guys what it looks like. How about that? You guys can see me in my underpants because hey, that's what everybody wants to see. And there we are, look at that. So fits good, nice. It's got a little bit of tightness to it, but not super tight. It's got some flex. So let me see, let me aim you guys down a little bit. You can see me in my underwear. How about that? So look, so nice little shorts and super comfortable. Really nice. They're nice and thin. They're crazy thin. I'll show you guys one of these ones here. Crazy thin, so it's just super comfortable. So I'll be wearing these today. So I like it. What do you think? So that's it. And I'm about 185 pounds now. I'm too fat, but fits me great. And I think I have a size medium. So awesome, thumbs up for me.